Hey, welcome to Seasparkles Corner. This is part 2.
Yeah.
My mother put some rosemary,
Just a dash. You don't need much of this.
a pinch on the bottom, and now she's putting some butter. 2 blobs of butter. It equals about 2 tablespoons in there. And she used real butter, but you can use margarine if you don't want to use butter, because margarine has no cholesterol, but it does, as we know. And now she's opening it up.
And you understand, we're cooking it frozen.
Yeah.
You always cook it frozen, it's more tasty. Okay?
And then she put, yeah, the fish on top. Yep. The tilapia directly underneath, with the butter directly underneath.
Yes, of course. You want some of it, a little bit.
Oh, tilapia, we're cooking. Tilapia, we're cooking. Hi-ho, tilapia. We're having tilapia for our lunch. And then the other one is on top of there as well. So it's one for her and one for me, which is plenty.
And then we'll have potatoes and veggies.
It's cooked in the Nesco. And what temperature are you cooking it, and how long?
I'm going to cook at 375.
She's cooking at 375 for how long?
About 20 minutes, but not much.
375 for 20 minutes.
I just go by, you know, whatever I think.
And there you have it. And this is...
And then we'll get the veggies to go with it and the potatoes. We're
So
going to have
375 for 20 minutes. And
fried potatoes.
that's it. This is part 2 of how we cook tilapia. Thanks for watching. And as always, the fun never ends in Seasparkles Corner. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.